Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the R-tek RK-1005TH temperature and humidity PDF data logger with internal sensor. This compact device is designed for accurate environmental monitoring in warehouse, laboratories, and storage areas. Let's explore its features, specifications, and real-world applications. Product overview. The RK-1005TH is an all-in-one logger with its sensor built directly inside the device. That means no extra cables, no probes, just plug it in, set it up, and start recording. It's simple, portable, and perfect for general monitoring tasks. Key features: measures temperature and humidity with high accuracy, LCD screen for real-time display, USB export function automatically generates PDF and CSV reports, built-in rechargeable battery, 100% charged on delivery, compact, durable, and easy to use. Specifications: temperature range 20 degrees Celsius to plus 70 degrees Celsius, humidity range 1% to 99.9% RH, resolution 0.1 degrees Celsius 0.1% RH. Accuracy: temperature plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius to plus 40 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 1 degree Celsius otherwise. Humidity plus or minus 5% RH at 25 degrees Celsius. Operating conditions: 20 degrees Celsius to plus 60 degrees Celsius, 100% RH. How to use: power on, long press the left button. Set parameters: temperature limits, humidity limits, interval time, start delay, start logging, long press the right button, log symbol appears. Stop logging, long press again, log symbol disappears. Export data: plug into PC, long press power for 5 seconds, PDF and CSV auto-generated. Applications: the RK-1005TH is best suited for warehouse, monitor storage conditions. Laboratories, ensure stable test environments. Pharma storage, protect sensitive materials. Offices and clean rooms, maintain humidity and temperature control. So that's the R-tek RK-1005TH internal sensor data logger. Compact, accurate, and hassle-free. If you need a portable logger for everyday monitoring, this is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.